All right, let's look at this exponential equation and solve for x. We have 10 times 3 to the x. This is a multiplication, this dot right here. 3 to the x equal to 5 to the x plus 1. All right, so the first thing we got to do, we got to take the log of both sides. So it would be log of 10 times 3 to the x equals to log of 5 to the x plus 1. All right, according to the log laws, we can now expand that. That's log of 10 plus log of 3 to the x equals to, and in here, the x plus 1 is the exponent. We can bring it to the front as one of the laws, x plus 1 times log of 5. Now we're going to go and we're going to simplify this part right here. This is log of 10, but I'm going to leave it alone for now. Log of 10, we know what that is. That's 1, but that's okay. Let's change the log of 3 to the x as x log of 3. Again, we are using the one of the log laws. That's equal to, we're going to expand this one. This becomes x log of 5 using distributive law plus log of 5. We're just multiplying each of these terms, right? One at a time. Okay. The next step is collecting like terms. So I'm going to bring the non-x terms to one side. So log of 10, I'm going to bring this log of 5 to the left-hand side. So it would be minus log of 5 equals, and now I'm going to take this and then I'm going to move it to the other side, and x, so log of 5, and this would be minus x log of 3. Very good. So now we are going to simplify more. So this is log of 10 divided by 5, because there's a subtraction there. That's one of the laws. And here we're going to factor x out of the two terms. This would be log of 5 minus log of 3. And now we're going to go further, one step more. That's log of 2, 10 divided by 5 is 2, equals to x log of 5 divided by 3. Very good. Remember, we are still solving for x. Now we have to divide both sides of the equation by log of 5 divided by 3. That's the coefficient of x, even though it shows up after it, but it's supposed to be a number. So here it is. So the final answer in exact form is log of 2 divided by log of 5 divided by 3. Now you can actually change that. That becomes log of 2 base 5 third, or take out your calculator and find out the actual numerical value of this x based on the log terms. All right, that is the answer.